Hello everybody, today I show you about PHP variable in chapter 3, continue from chapter 1, yes. Okay, you can like and subscribe and click ring on channel and to get more video from us about web developer, okay. Okay, in this content, we show variable. Do you remember algebra from school? PHP variable and create declaring PHP variable, and PHP is a logic type language. PHP variable scope in local, global, and static in the last parameter in PHP variable. Okay, what is variable? Variable as a container for storing information in memory. Okay, and you remember algebra from school? X equals 5, y equals 6, and you can uh, plus x plus y assign the result to the variable z. Okay, it's letter remember letter X and letter Y, and the store whole 5 value and Y whole 6 value, and calculate and the value and 11. Yes. Okay, so that you can call a variable in PHP programming, and you can calculate by the variable X and variable Y. Okay, and with algebra, PHP variable are used to hold value or expression. Okay, and variable can have a short name like it and more description name like can. Okay, and then a rule for PHP name. Okay, PHP start from a sign dollar following the name variable. Must be start from dollar. You can to letter and or underscore it. Yes. Okay. And name variable can only alphabet, a number, character, and underscore from A to Z and 0 to 9 and underscore. Okay, and this the name short not contain space. Okay, the name variable contain space can no, and variable name in PHP are case sensitive. Example, y, small y and big Y are different variable. Okay, and how to declare? PHP has no command for declaring a variable. Okay, variable is created the moment you first assign value to it. For example, when you assign string Volvo to variable my car, so that my car have a string data type. Yes, execute after the execute of the statement about the variable my car will hold the value available is a string value. Okay, if you want to create a variable without assign, so that yeah, variable assign the null value. Okay, the last let's create a variable containing a string and the value contain a number. Okay, so that you open tab PHP and close tab PHP, you can assign hello world to variable txt and 16 16 value to a variable s, okay, and so that the variable is integer and the variable for the string variable, yes, string data type. Okay, and continue. Okay, when you assign the text value and variable is put quote around the value, okay, and PHP is a loosely type language, okay. In PHP, a variable do not need to be declared before adding a value to it. In the example above, notice that we do not have to tell PHP which data type the value the variable is. PHP automatically convert a variable to the correct data type depending on its value. Okay, depending on its value. For PHP variable, yes, different from another language. In a story type programming language, you have declare or define the data type and the name the variable you before using it. Okay, variable scope. What the scope of variable in a portion of descript in a variable can be referred. PHP have four different variable scope. The first local variable, global variable, static variable, and parameter variable. Okay, the local variable. The local variable is a variable declared within a PHP function. It's local and can only be accessed within that function. The variable has local scope. Okay, so that variable A in global and when you use in local, okay, is my you can and then you call the my test and okay and a global variable defined outside a function, okay, and a variable access any part a script is not inside a function. And to access the global variable from in function, you can use global keyword. Okay, variable A and variable B, the function method. When you want to use variable A, global variable A and B, you can declare before you use. When you not declare, it's error because it's don't know. Check global is check or only function my test, okay, and the scope variable, okay, and another way you can use array called a global and index is the name of a variable, okay. Array is access from a within function can be used to update a global variable directly, okay. And this, okay, when you declare A and B is global script PHP and in function my test, you can use array global and you can use uh, global name variable is uh, with index in global, yes, the same way, and then you can call test my test and you can output a variable b to test your variable, okay. And static variable scope, when you function complete call a variable normal and normally deleted. However, sometimes you want to a local variable is not delete, okay. To do this, where you can use a static keyword when your first declaration in variable and static, and remember me, okay, and then its function you can call is have information its content from less time the function first call okay is not variable still local to the function okay and then parameter is a local variable who value is passed to the function by the calling code okay parameter are declared in the parameter list as part of the function declaration okay a function and this parameter okay you can use in a function the way you can transfer value into the function okay a parameter called action when you will declare them discuss them in the more detail when you talk about function. Okay, this free frame for us to use. Okay, and you can uh, have a question. You can send to me and with a mail. Okay, thank you.